Askari anakuanga depressed, not because he's a police officer, but because a police officer is a human being. We all get depressed in one way or another. We come from families. We come from a very harsh environment, yes. There are hardships, watu ni wagonjwa, and that is why askari anakuwa na depression. But in Nakuru, we have healing the boot tournaments that we usually do. So after every 2 or 3 weeks, we are in the field doing football, and officers in Nakuru are happy. Not that there is no depression, but at least we are able to make sure that we minimize depression within the officers so that they can be effective and efficient in service delivery. Sisi kama askari, December na New Year hatukupata nafasi ya kwenda kuwa na familia zetu kusherehekea sababu ya kazi. Na kwa hivyo tulikaa chini kama officers na tukasema we give back to the community. Ile yenye tulisave tupeleke nyumbani, tukuje tuletee hao watoto. Ni sababu tunajua ni vizuri kusaidia watoto kama hao. We live in a community, and if the community cannot come to assist in such a situation, who else can do that?